Okay, I wanted to give a big shout out there to FlashTV because it's his birthday today. And I remembered you because if you look here, look at this. I even got him right here on my pad. FlashTV birthday. So happy birthday, my man. Hopefully you're having a good one. That's another year. That's the one thing to celebrate. I used to hate birthdays. I used to think I was getting worried because I was getting older every year. And then somebody told me, you know what, you should be thankful and be grateful to say you're another year older. I never looked at it that way.
Who told you that?
You did. Yeah, anyway. And isn't it a coincidence? It's his birthday today, we're going to have a birthday, and yet he's the one sending me something that just came in the mail.
Crazy.
It is crazy. You guys need to stop this. Anyway, let's open her up. Let's get out the old knife. I hear something rumbling out in the yard there.
Sounds like a flathead.
Does sound like a flathead. Nothing like a flathead Ford. Okay. Okay, oh. Flash, my man, has written us a note. Going up there on the wall with all the rest of it for you guys. Rick, sorry couldn't find the taillight housings. Okay. Hate to think of these going to the landfill when I'm gone. Love the videos, keep them coming. That's Roger, right?
I think so, yep.
Roger, you don't talk like that. Think about that when you're gone. You can't talk like that, man. Isn't that right, Lise?
Yep.
You know what? You gotta have something to think about every day that you want to do the next day, and that will seriously keep you going. Instead of thinking negative, you think positive about stuff. I know you got a few issues going on in your life right now, but it's all good, man. Because you know why? Because you're watching this video right now and you're getting to see this. So you're still here with us.
Yep.
And you ain't going nowhere. That's just the way it is. We just don't stop. We keep going. Let's take a look what we got. I'm not the greatest momentum speaker, but I try. Oh! It's got the old Chevy taillights with the blue dots in them.
Ah, cool.
That's awesome. I assume this is the other one. And I'm seeing some pretty damn cool hot rod books in here that I'm getting excited over. I tell you, you guys send me so many magazines that I'll be gone before I read them all. It's impossible. If I was to try and read all the books that people have sent me from front to back, I would not live long enough. So for you guys out there, just so you know, I go through the books page for page, but I read the articles that interest me because there's some stuff that doesn't. And I want you all to know that I'm no different than you. When a young guy comes in here and he's looking to see the way and know the way and he's interested in this, I'm going to pass these along because that's what it's all about. It's about passing knowledge along, it's about passing stuff along, it's about giving people stuff because it just makes them feel happy. He wrapped this one up super good. Holy God. There we are. Thank you, Flash. But I'm even more interested in what's going on here. Oh, he's got all the... Look at that, eh? Here, let's get another one out. Oh, this is even household stuff.
Oh, cool.
See, I even like this stuff because I'm into all that in the house, right?
That's cool.
That's Hastings for you.
Ha.
Helping the little kid out, getting ready.
Cool.
He's starting out young on
The
a...
Sherwin-Williams paint.
Yep.
We buy Sherwin-Williams.
We do. Karting. Karting was a big thing in the 50s and 60s.
That's
oh,
cool.
oh, look at this.
Oh.
Oh my God. And look at the ladies.
Yep.
Women,
They ain't getting their hair wet.
Women don't dress like that. No, they will get their hair wet. Women today won't get their hair wet.
No, they spent big dollars to get their hair done in the salon, and that hairdo will last them a week.
Yeah, it would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're not getting their hair wet.
Oh my God. Look at this stuff.
That's awesome.
It's just crazy.
Yep.
Crazy, crazy.
That's awesome.
Caveman Mike! Hello. The caveman's here. FlashTV sent us presents today.
Oh, cool.
It's his birthday, but he sends us stuff. Look at all these hot rod books.
Holy shit, that's old.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. 1968. That's before I was even born. I wasn't born till like 1980. Look at me.
Such a pompous ass.
Where did the big shovel?
I heard that.
Ooh, that's cool.
That is cool. Oh man. Well, holy God, we're going through all these. I don't want to flip through all of them because we want to show everybody else up there what's going on.
Holy cow.
Look at this guy all dressed in white, but yet he's working on a car.
Yep.
Come on. Is that a Maverick? It is too. Man, I need the rear end out of that car. Fits in a Model A. Forget the rest of it. Look at that flatty.
Yep.
Huh?
How many... Is this like the never-ending box of magazines?
It is. It is. Flash. You know those taillight lenses you couldn't find? I think they're right here. 1962. Oh my God. I just love this stuff. I love it, guys. But like I say, it's impossible for me to read these page to page. I have got, seriously, I must have like close to 1,000 magazines now. And I'm just like, holy shit.
Yeah.
I like this Isky cam, but they're doing it like a gun.
That's cool.
That is cool. That is so cool. Oh man. Oh my man. Here's we're on the last one. Little Chevy 2s in there, a Dodge. Oh.
Cool.
Well,
happy birthday to us.
yes, happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to you, Flash. Keep on watching the videos.
Roger.
Roger.
Yeah.
I like
Roger.
Flash. Flash is like a cartoon character. Flash goes on forever. He's the Flash. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Thanks a lot, man. You don't have to do this. You guys don't have to do it. This is going to go up with all the other ones here that are pinned up here. And I'll just keep trying to watch them. Okay, guys. Remember, it's always a good time and old time. And happy birthday again. See you later.